Wolves are highly social and intelligent carnivores that live in structured packs, typically consisting of an alpha pair, their offspring, and other subordinate wolves. Found across North America, Europe, and Asia, wolves communicate through vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. They are skilled hunters, often working together to take down prey much larger than themselves, such as deer and elk. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems by controlling the populations of their prey. Despite their critical ecological role, wolves have faced significant threats from habitat loss and hunting, leading to conservation efforts to protect and restore their populations.